given all the terms. First, we are going to understand mass percentage. I already told you that mass percentage are symbolized by percentage W by W. Mass percentage we are going to represent by percentage W by W. This term we are going to understand with one example. We have a solution in which we have 20% of glucose. 20% of glucose in water by mass. This type of solution we have. This solution gives some detail. This sentence means that in this 20 gram of, in our solution, 20 gram of glucose, 20 gram of glucose present in 100 gram of solution. This sentence means that in our solution there is a 20 gram of glucose is present in 100 gram of solution. We can also understand this sentence in another way, that 20 gram of glucose, this sentence also we can understand in another way, that 20 gram of glucose dissolved, 20 gram of glucose dissolved in 80 gram of water. 20 gram of glucose dissolved in 80 gram of water and gives 100 gram of solution, If you have a 10 gram of glucose, if you have a solution and in that solution you have a 10 gram of glucose in water by mass, then you have to know that in that solution you have 10 gram of glucose. You have 10 gram of glucose dissolved in 90 gram of solution, means water. 90 gram of water and you get 100 gram of solution. 100 gram of solution. If here in 20, on behalf of 20 there is 5, then 5% of glucose in water by mass, then 5 gram of glucose dissolved in 95 gram of water. 5 gram of glucose dissolved in 95 gram of water and it gives 100 gram of solution. It gives 100 gram of solution. Okay, now you understand, if you have this type of sentence, then you get the mass of a solute. Here glucose is our solute. Glucose is our solute. Water is our solvent. Water is our solvent. So from this type of sentence you get the mass of a solute, which we are going to represent by WB. WB, and here B stands for solute. B stands for solute. Same way, 80 gram of water, where water is solvent. So here 80 gram is mass of a solvent, which we are going to represent by WA, and A stands for solvent. A stands for solvent, and you get 100 gram of solution. So here you get the mass of a solution also. Mass of a solution. Now we can see that here W is equal to W plus WA. So we can also say that this solution gives that mass of a solution. Mass of a solution is nothing but the sum of mass of solute plus mass of solvent. mass of a solution is sum of mass of solute and mass of solvent. Okay, so now you clearly understand the mass percentage W by W, percentage W by W. From this discussion we get the equation for mass percentage. We get the equation for mass percentage. Equation is percentage W by W is equal to mass of a component. Here component is whichever the components whose mass percentage W by W we have to find. If we have to find solutes, percentage of W by W of a solutes, okay, then equation will be WB by W. Here WB is mass of a solute, and W is a mass of a solution. Okay, what percentage of W by W equation is mass of a component upon mass of a solution into 100. And why 100? Because we have to find in percentage. Okay, so mass of the percentage W by W is equal to mass of component upon mass of solution into 100. If we have to find percentage of W by W of a solute, then we are going to take mass of solute in numerator and mass of solution in denominator, which we are going to represent by WB and by W into 100. And if you have to find percentage of W by W of a solvent, then in numerator you are going to take WA, which is a mass of a solvent, and W is mass of a solute into 100. Now, okay, so you understand that which are the component we have to find mass percentage of W by W. ऐसा कोई भी सब्सटेंस मतलब कि जिस किसी भी सब्सटेंस का आपको परसेंटेज W by W लेना है, उसको आपको क्या लेना है, न्यूमरेटर में लेना है, और उसके अपन क्या लेना है, तो आपको मास ऑफ ए सॉल्यूट लेना है और इनको क्या कर देना है, 100 कर देना है. ठीक है, तो क्लियर हो गया होगा आपका मास परसेंटेज व्हिच वी आर गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट बाय परसेंटेज ऑफ W by W. Okay, now we are going to take one numerical based on this equation. So you have to remember this equation, because on the basis of this equation we are going to take numerical. Okay, note it down. Okay, now we are going to calculate percentage of W by W. We are going to use this equation to calculate this. Okay, here question is we have to calculate mass percentage. We have to calculate mass percentage of benzene. C6H6 is benzene. You have to do C6H6 is benzene and CCl4 is carbon tetrachloride. We have to calculate mass percentage for benzene and also for carbon tetrachloride. Okay, the benzene is our solute. And CCl4 is our solvent. Mass of a benzene we are going to represent by WB. I already told you that B stands for solute, and in this question solute is benzene. And mass for the solvent we are going to represent by WA, where A is the solvent and carbon tetrachloride is our solvent. Mass of a solute means mass of a benzene is given here 22 gram. So WB is equal to 22 gram. Mass of a CCl4 is also given 122 gram. 122 gram is equal to 122 gram. Okay, so now you have a mass of a benzene is 22 gram and mass of a CCl4 is 122 gram. Okay, and we already studied that mass study that mass of a solution is equal to sum of a mass of a solvent plus mass of a solute. Solute mass is given 22 gram. 22 gram. WA is also given plus 122. So here mass of a solution is 144 gram. 144 gram. So here you have a mass of a solution. You have also mass of a solute and also mass of a solvent. So all the values are given. You have to just put these values in this equation and get the value of percentage W by W. First we are going to calculate mass percentage for benzene, which is our solute. Benzene is our solute. Therefore we are going to find percentage of W by W of a benzene. So equation is mass of a component. Which component? That component. Which percentage of W by W we have to find? We have to calculate. So here benzene is a component. Therefore here mass of a component is Wp upon mass of a solution is a W into 100 into 100. W is given 22 gram. 22 gram. W is equal to 144 gram. 144 gram into 100. Here gram and gram will be cut and calculate this. Whatever the answer, write down here, and this answer is your percentage of W by W of benzene. Percentage of W by W of benzene. Okay? Now, so we find the mass percentage for benzene. Mass percentage for benzene. Okay? Just you have to calculate this and write down here your answer. This answer is your percentage of W by W of a benzene. Now we have to calculate mass percentage for CCl4. Mass percentage CCl4. So mass percentage of CCl4 is equal to mass of a CCl4 means mass of a solvent, and mass of a solvent is 122 gram. 122 gram upon mass of a solution. Mass of a solution and mass of a solution is 144 gram. 144 gram into 100 gram cancel out each other. Calculate this. Whatever the answer, write down here, and this answer is your percentage W by W of a CCl4. Percentage of W by W of a CCl4. So now you know that how to use this equation. Here component used for whichever the components percentage of W by W we have to use. ठीक है ना? यहाँ पे जो component है वो क्या है? ये जो component वो क्या है? जिस किसी भी component का percentage of W by W हमें ढूंढना है, उसका मास यहाँ पे लेना है और उसके न्यूमरेटर में क्या, डिनोमिनेटर में हमें क्या लेना है? मास ऑफ ए सॉल्यूशन लेना है. Into 100 क्यों है? Because we have to find percentage of W by W in W by W in percentage. Therefore we have to multiply with 100. Okay, so this is your first numerical. Okay, just write down, take a screenshot and write down to your notebook. Okay, write down. Yes, you have to also comment answer. You have to comment the answer of a percentage of W by W of a benzene and also percentage of W by W of a CCl4. You have to answer this. After calculation, whatever the answer here you are going to write, you have to comment in our comment box. Okay?
Like and share my videos with your friends. Give comments. Also subscribe my YouTube channel Aditya Shinde. Thank you for watching.